kunentuthu emnyama engibona ngala intuthu emnyama ngathi amafa amnyama amakhulu kodwa nje intuthu emnyama ehambayo ebukeka ngathi amafa amnyama ahambayo kuyo le direction engale kube sokuqhamuka inumber engathi unyaka 1961 or 1961 or 1961 intuthu emnyama ngathi amafa noma amafa amnyama kube ku 1961 or 1961 ngapha kule direction into engizikhonjwayo leso.
Once again, Imboni yezwe iboniswa izinto zezwe. January 4th, 2021, Imboni received another revelation. On top of the rocks, on the same location where Imboni first prophesied about the coming of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2019. The revelation was a dark smoke or cloud moving. At that point, Imboni was pointing towards the easterly direction. In the revelation, the number 1961 or year 1961 was revealed. Weeks later, reports about Cyclone Eloise floods news channels. The cyclone is said to be coming from Madagascar, moving towards Mozambique and parts of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. When we research even further, we find that the easterly direction Imboni pointed to is Madagascar, and the moving dark cloud or smoke is the cyclone coming from Madagascar. Secondly, 1961 is a year where Madagascar also experienced Cyclone Ada, a tropical cyclone which lasted for 5 days in Madagascar, leaving 51 fatalities. Also, in 1961, there was a fever outbreak called Rift Valley fever that occurred in the countries east of Africa. The question is, in 2021, do we still need Imboni to give guidance and advice to the nation, as it was in the days of the rule of kings and queens? We believe, if Imboni Zagwantu, like Imboni uZwi-Lezwe, were listened to and engaged even further, nations would have better guidance on such and even other worldly matters.